Let's see how to add a rupee symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, there are two ways to do this. The first one is by simply copying a rupee symbol from the internet. Or if you don't have access to the internet, another method you can use is by going into the Insert tab. And from here, click on Symbol, click on More Symbols, which will open up this new window. Now let's just change the font. Now here, under Subset, make sure that you look for Currency. Currency symbols. And right here, let's look for the rupee symbol, which is this one. Now simply click Insert, and there you go. You now have a rupee symbol in your document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.